Okay, the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 would be launching in just a few days. And hawak natin dito is the older one na Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Gusto natin malaman kung in this 2025 kung okay pa rin tong device na ito or hindi. Should you wait for the Galaxy S25 Plus or okay pa rin si S24 Plus this 2025? Talakayin natin dito in full detail after this quick intro. Ang laman nito is only just the phone and of course, yung kanyang charging cable. Plus of course, yung kanyang SIM ejector pin. So you only get this, and this dito sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. So guys, itong Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, nabilit ko to kay UKDB Gadget as a second-hand na smartphone. It's still in pristine condition and it's currently selling at 37,000 pesos. Pero pag binili mo siya ng brand new, it's still 52,000 pesos. More details on the description box below. Now, pagdating sa 2025, itong design na ito, I think it's still okay. In pa rin naman siya, flat ang likod, and matte finish ang likod niya, no? It looks really nice, simple lang siya. Meron siyang tatlong camera ring dito sa likod, which is of course yung mga main camera lenses ni Samsung. A normal lens, ultra-wide, saka isang telephoto lens. Brushed aluminum metal finish dito sa gilid, so definitely sturdy ang feel mo dito sa phone na ito. And LTPO AMOLED display ang meron niya, so goods ang kanyang display. Malit ang kanyang bezels, and malit din ang kanyang punch hole, which I personally like. Feel sa aking kamay, solid, except that there are times na parang medyo madulas lang siya. Probably putting on a case might be helpful. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And I know that hindi na siya latest. Last year, probably it's still the latest, but this time around, pinakabago is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. Pero 8 Gen 3 for me, it's still very powerful up to 2025. Kahit December pa ng 2025, I would say it's still a very much capable na chipset. Scoring a 1.7 million points sa Antutu benchmark is no joke. Ito ang kanyang breakdown scores. 4,244 ang kanyang loop score sa Wildlife Extreme and 52% ang kanyang stability. Checking ang kanyang score dito sa CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench and sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Very much capable sa gaming. Now, if you're checking ang kanyang thermals pagdating sa Samsung mga Galaxy na devices, pansin ko pagdating dito sa thermal throttling test, laging ganito ang nakukuha natin. Maganda sa simula, pero pagdating sa patapos na or medyo bandang pagitna na, red lines na makikita mo. And it throttled to 67% ng kanyang best performance. Pagdating naman sa battery, malaki naman ka na battery. Well, halos industry standard at 4,900 mAh. And this one can support up to 45 watts na fast charging, except that wala nga lang charging brick na kasama. Pwede ka naman bumili ng mga 65 watts na Nexode GAN na charger, the U-Green, to charge up your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. I'll put the link on the description box below. And by the way, support niya 15 watts na wireless charging and 4.5 watts na reverse wireless charging. In case na gusto mo yung wireless charge ang iyong mga AirPods. Pagdating naman sa battery life, matipid naman si Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Been using this as my daily driver nung nag-travel ako during December. Ito ang bitbit ko as my main daily driver to travel to Taiwan. And it was able to last me one whole day while I'm traveling. Wala kang maging problema. I did this for 5 days out of the country and it was really good. Binigyan ako ng 16 hours and 22 minutes na screen on time dito sa battery stress test ni PCMark. This is tested under 50% brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. For me, okay na ang kanyang battery life. Now, one of the good things dito sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is yung kanyang screen. It has a really good display. This one is a 6.7-inch na dynamic LTPO AMOLED display na may 120 Hz screen refresh rate and meron siyang maximum brightness of 2,600 nits. Ang kanyang glass is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 to ensure you the best scratch resistance possible. Now, if you're browsing through socials, expect mo goods na goods ang kanyang display dahil this one is really good. And I was able to enjoy every moment na nanonood ako ng mga reels dito. Nagsuswipe ako across my social media sa Facebook. And watching some reels naman sa TikTok is definitely good. I don't expect anything less naman from a Samsung Galaxy na S24 na flagship. Now, chinek ko nga ng DRM info, it gave me a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level. So, pwede ka manood ng mga HD content dito sa phone na ito. And watching HD content sa YouTube, expect mo maganda, matingkad ang display nito. The black is blacker. And the colors are really punchy. I did watch several films dito sa phone nito while I was traveling on the airplane and it gave me a really good, satisfying experience. Now, this phone has dual speakers. Isa dito sa ilalim and the other one nandito sa earpiece. Test lang natin kung gaano kalakas. Well, honestly, malakas sa kanyang sounds and I did enjoy. Pero during my travel sa plane, hindi loudspeaker gamit ko kasi it's hard for me to watch a video dito sa phone na ito and naka-loudspeaker ako. Siyempre, vulgar naman, no? Ilan yung mga katabi mo sa plane and sa harap sa likod, lahat na marinig yung pinapanood mo. So, I did bought along this one. This is a TH50 na earbuds ni Machenike, no? So, what's nice dito sa kanya, mecha design. Definitely for me, it's a winner. And I love the way it is. Small, compact, and pang-gaming na gaming ang datingan nito. What's nice dito is may LED light pa siya dito sa ilalim and yung kanyang buds is really small and compact. Tignan guys, okay na okay siya. For me, yung design is pretty good. I have been using this since nung December and wala ako naging problema sa kanya pagdating sa sounds. Okay, klaro. And while I'm bored inside the airplane, ito ang gamit ko together with my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus para hindi vulgar ang sounds while watching mga videos na sinave ko dito sa phone na ito, definitely okay. Now, if you plug it in to your ears, this is how it looks like dito sa left and this is how it looks like dito sa right. Honestly, snug fit naman siya and yung sound niya is good. Not the best sound na makukuha mo, but for a budget, the buds like this one at a price of around nasa 1,100 pesos, definitely okay na kaya sounds. What I like dito sa kanya is fast charging siya using USB Type-C, and another thing is mabilis naman siya i-pair. Be it sa Android or iOS, kayang-kaya naman din mag-pair. Wala kang maging problema. Now, nung nanonood ako ng mga videos dito using these buds, talagang I'm pretty sure na mag-enjoy ka. The sounds is good, the fit is good, and probably one thing na gusto ko i-share sa inyo, try lang natin yung kanyang shake test. Here goes. Ako pa nahilo. Ayan guys, intact na intact pa siya. Now, so if you're using this for sports, wala kang maging problema. Nung tinry ko rin naman pala siya mag-gaming, okay na okay ang sounds niya. Wala kang maging problema kasi this buds is built for gaming. Game your way. So if you want more details about the Machenike na TH50 na earbuds, click the link on the description box below. I did play Honor of Kings, Farlight 84, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact. Now, pagdating naman sa Honor of Kings, it was really good. Expect ko naman dito sa phone na ito would be able to perform it to the highest level sa Honor of Kings dahil this one has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And nevertheless, it did deliver, giving me a really good experience dito, setting into all high settings, and it was really a breeze to play this game. And nung nilaro ko naman siya for roughly mga 30 minutes, it was really good. And roughly, pinakamainit na inabot niya is around 40 degrees Celsius. Now, napagdating na sa Farlight 84, maganda naman experience ko dito, giving me a good game sa Battle Royale. And after playing for 30 minutes, ang experience ko naman dito, maganda naman kanyang grip. And probably the other thing is, okay din ang kanyang controls. You have no problem dito sa kanyang touch response dahil mabilis naman siya. And nakakonect din naman ako sa Machenike na TH50, so it gave me a really good sound experience. Wala naman lag ang sound. So, I did enjoy this game. And pinakamainit na inabot na dito is around 44 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, sinagad-sagad din natin ang kanyang graphical settings and putting it to the max. And honestly, nag-enjoy ako dito sa kanya. And pairing it together with the Machenike TH50, it gave me a really good experience sa pagdating sa sounds. Pagdating naman sa screen niya, it was really good dahil one of the best talaga ang displays ni Samsung. So, the resolution is definitely good. Wala kang maging problema sa kanya. And the touch response is also okay. Ang pinakamainit na inabot niya after 30 minutes of gameplays, around mga 44 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Genshin Impact, okay din naman siya. But there are times na may nafe-feel ako minor frame drops along the way. Hindi naman siya garapalan, no? Minor lang, halos sometimes di mo pangaramdam na nagsiskip siya. Pero yung overall, yung kanang gameplay dito sa kanya is definitely enjoyable. Nag-battle tayo ng several bosses dito and yeah, it gets the job done naman dito sa kanya. And one of the best things dito sa kanya is yung kanyang sounds. Yung kanyang loudspeaker is definitely loud and yung kanyang touch response is really fast dito sa Genshin Impact. Yung nga lang, medyo mainit siya, umabot siya ng 47 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Napag-usapan na natin ang kanyang camera dito. This one has triple camera setup. Starting off with the 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 10MP na telephoto lens with OIS with up to 3 times optical zoom, and meron din siya 12MP na ultra-wide lens na may 120 degrees na field of view. This one can shoot you up to 8K and 30, and sa harap niya is a 12MP na front-facing camera with a 4K 60fps na shooting capability. Now, when I was traveling in China, bit-bit ko tong Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus natin, and I was able to take a lot of good shot dito with this phone. And starting with some of the outdoor shot na nakuha natin on the open field, makita natin sharp mga photos na makukuha mo. Kahit moving ang kotse, I was able to get some really nice snaps dito sa kanya. If you're trying to take some mga tall building shot, talagang panalo ang camera ni Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Taking a look at some of this tall building shot, talagang makita mo ang ganda ng kanyang camera performance. And taking a look at this monument dito sa gitna, if you take this shot, talagang clear na clear, sharp na sharp ang photo. Medyo bandang pahapon na, was able to take some really nice sunset shot dito using this phone. Makita mo yung ganda ng orange na dito sa likod. Talagang very captivating ang shot na ito. Na kung medyo in-adjust mo ko yung exposure, you'll get some really nice shot like this one. Kahit simpleng street sign lang kinuha ko, it looks really nice. Now, taking a photo dito sa one of the most popular na tourist spot dito sa tatlong high tower dito sa Shanghai, ganito kaganda ang makukuha mong shot. Now, sinubukan ko kayo ng different lenses. This is a ultra-wide shot, normal, 3 times, 10 times, 20 times, and 30 times zoom. This is the famous Crystal Tower sa Shanghai. Now, pagdating naman sa indoor photography, maganda ang mga food shot na makukuha mo on this camera. Look at some of this food shot. Very simple, pero ang ganda ng pagka-render, no? Even the mga simple shot na nakuha natin, mapapawaw ka lang talaga sa ganda ng camera ni S24 Plus. Nung nagsistroll kami sa gabi, I was able to get some really nice night shot using this camera. And honestly, medyo madilim dito sa area na ito. But medyo na-enhance ni S24 Plus ang mga shots na nakuha natin dito. On outdoors, talagang makikita mo ang ganda ng performance ng camera na ito. Kahit simpleng lantern lang dito sa gabi, ang ganda rin ng shot niya. Na kung kumukuha ka naman ng mga outdoor shot using the front-facing camera, I would say na it looks nice. Kapag indoor photography naman using the front-facing camera, talagang equally good din naman siya. Though there are times na makikita, it's a little bit more softer compared sa outdoor. But nevertheless, I would say na given na magandang lighting, talagang makakuha ka ng some really nice snaps. Now, while walking at the airport, very stable ka ng front-facing camera. Perfect siya for traveling vlog like this one. Now, using rear camera, taking 4K video, equally nice. Talagang smooth na smooth ang video taken on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Now guys, priced at 37,000 pesos with a pristine condition, itong Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is definitely a game changer. Not just 2024, but towards 2025, okay na okay pa rin to. Dahil sa kanyang camera is definitely good, gaming experience is also good. Except that siguro one thing na hindi ko lang gusto sa kanya is wala siyang charger na kasama. Pero of course, you can always buy from Ugreen, which I already recommended on the description box below. And sounds naman niya is pretty decent, but if you want a more immersive experience, consider ni Machenike na TH50 na earbuds. So ano masasabi ko sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus this 2025? Goods? Goods. Goods na goods pa rin siya this 2025 dahil it's still a very, very much capable phone na flagship ni Samsung. Kahit palabas na ang Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So if you want to know kung saan ko nabili to, I got it from UKDB Gadgets. I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.